Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. I'm with Blake Cormack, the Aftermarket Manager, who orders a lot of these cool trucks that we're going to talk about in today's video. This is a truck that we get from SCA called the Apex Edition, and we're going to go ahead and cover this. First, what we're going to do is talk about some of the standard equipment we put on the truck before we drop it off at SCA, and then Blake's going to go over all the different things that the SCA adds as part of the Apex package, and a couple things you might think about getting as optional equipment that we typically get on our stock unit. So, but before we do that, don't forget, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another cool video like this one uploaded to our YouTube channel. And don't forget, wait to the end of the video where we're going to talk about our free shipping policy so you can have one of these trucks shipped right to your door. So we'll have more information about that at the end of the video. You can also check the timestamp down below if you want to, if you're excited and want to learn more about it right now, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, first we order these from the factory a certain way. SCA likes certain packages on their trucks to put this package on it, and you'll see as we talk about what's included in the Apex package why, but we also add a couple other things, and we have a choice of what trim to go with, and we typically will go with, the XLT trim because it gets, sometimes extra rebates, plus it gives you a pretty good amount of core equipment, and then some great other benefits, especially in 21, where they've really beefed up the 302A equipment group. So we order it with the XLT Super Crew 4x4, of course, with the 302A equipment group. So that's the luxury equipment group. You're required to get at least either the 301 or 302A. We go ahead and go on up to the 302A. Let me cover some of the things you get on this package. It really makes it like a lariat when it comes to equipment, because you are getting the upgraded intelligent access with the push button start, and you get remote start as part of this. So it's really nice having the intelligent access. You used to have to go up to lariat to get that. Also with this package, you're going to get the, of course, dual power seats. So 10-way for the driver and front passenger, as well as heated seats are going to come with that too, which is going to be a nice benefit when we talk about the Apex package. Also, you're going to see the new upgraded console. So going with this, the 302A, getting the XLT Sport Appearance package, giving you the bucket seats with a console, flow-through console. You get the big 12-inch touchscreen when you go to the 302A equipment group. So it comes with the Sync 4, that better connected conversational type of voice command system. You also get over-the-air updates. You also get the wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which so many people with the iPhones really want that wireless connection. So that all comes included with the new Sync 4. So just a great system. Also, you get the owner's manual right there, the digital owner's manual on the screen as well. And a big 12-inch touchscreen is just huge in this vehicle. You're really going to like it, especially when we talk about some of the other packages we're going to add to this as well. So on top of that 302A, you're getting the leather-wrapped steering wheel, you're getting reverse sensing, you're getting the backup camera is part of the Copilot 360 2.0 package, along with pre-collision assist, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping system, bliss system with cross traffic alert, which also works for your trailer. All those features on there. And then of course we also add the XLT Sport Appearance package to this as well, giving you the body colored bumpers on the front, giving you the black grille in the front as well. Both of those look real sharp. When you go to the 302A equipment group on the front, you're also getting LED headlights, LED signature lighting, LED fog lights on the front, and then the LED zone lighting completely around the vehicle too, which are some great features to have. And of course, we also add a couple other packages to all of our XLTs before we send them off to SCA. One of them is the Tow Tech package. So we love that one. Gives you the Class 4 receiver hitch, the wiring, it gives you the hitch assist, also gives you the integrated trailer brake controller, and it gives you the Pro Backup Assist, but also gives you those 360-degree cameras. So there's a camera under each of these mirrors, the front, the back, so you can see completely around the vehicle, and that big monster 12-inch touchscreen there, so you can see all the way around the vehicle. We also add the Copilot 360 Assist 2.0 package, which now includes the intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go. It also includes the speed sign recognition, and then also includes the lane centering system, and you get the new intersection assist as well with that, and then the connected built-in navigation, giving you 3 years of navigation service. So you can see, order them pretty well, and we even throw in a twin panel moonroof as standalone option and the B&O audio sound system. So now these can be ordered with either the 5.0 liter V8 engine or either the EcoBoost. We order a lot of 5.0 engines because Blake's going to tell you how, if you want to, you can get something added to that for a little bit better performance. Hey everybody, Blake Cormack out here, Lon McArthur Performance Manager. Tim just went over all the features on the 302A package along with some of the stuff on the Apex F-150 by SCA. We're going to start off up here at the front of the vehicle. The SCA Apex package vehicle, some of the standard options that you get on the vehicle is a 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, 20-inch wheels, and you get wheel-to-wheel running boards that you see. Now the wheel-to-wheel running boards are very nice. Short people like me like to get into the bed of these vehicles. So you get the extra step right there to get in and out of the vehicle. Now we'll go back up to the front of the vehicle here. SCA is owned by Fox, so Fox builds all the lift kits for these vehicles. So this is a 6-inch lifted vehicle with Fox shocks front and rear. Then they go ahead and put 35-inch BFG TK02 tires on it that are a 10-ply tire, so that way it's a sturdy sidewall, so if you go off-roading, it gives you the capabilities. Now the wheel is an Apex wheel by SCA. You can get these in two choices. You can get it in a black, all black like we have, or black and machined. Now this wheel is a 20/9, -12 offset, so that way it sticks out a little bit, so it gives you that really aggressive stance from the front and the rear of the truck. Then we go on to the fender flares. The fender flares, we chose to go smooth on it to give it a real nice sleek look all the way from front to rear of the truck. The option is you can also add pocket style if you choose to, but the fender flares, we just believe give it a nice sleek look from front to rear on the vehicle. It is an optional equipment. You do not have to order those. Now we go on back. Again, we can go to the Fox shocks that we were talking about, the 2.0 series. That way it gives a nice, better than factory quality on these 6-inch lifted trucks. Now a few other things that we do as optional adds to the Apex package that Tim mentioned previous is we go ahead and add black leather seats to the front and rear of this vehicle. They have silver stitching in it and they're perforated leather, so that way when you're in there and it's a really cold winter time, the heat easily goes through the seat. It's nice perforated leather. That is an optional add that you guys can add when doing the Apex package. A few things that we add here in-house once the vehicle shows up from SCA is a spray and bed liner by Toff. That comes with a lifetime warranty, so that way if anything happens, it peels, it rips, anything like that, that's all taken care of. Another thing that we offer is we do window tint on the front 2 windows. That way it just gives a nice sleek look again from front to rear, and that way also protects. We also offer lifetime warranty with our SunGuard window tint. Now I didn't know that Tim did mention that the reason we do a bunch of 5.0 F-150s is because we can always add a supercharger to the V8. With that being said, Whipple and Roush do make superchargers. Roush will be out at the end of the year. They have not given numbers out for that yet, but Whipple, they offer a 775 horsepower package. Now if that seems a little bit pricey, we can always do an EcoBoost, or we can go ahead and do the 5.0, and there will be power packs available to enhance the performance of the vehicle. All the way around, these Apex SCA trucks are fantastic. The price on them is about $16,000, and that includes the lift kits, the wheels, the tires, the bed liner, the window tint, the leather upgrade, and the smooth fender flares. It is a great package at a very reasonable price. Now where you can find some of these our current in-stock vehicles is on our website at lonmcarthur.com. Just click on that black Lon McArthur Performance logo, and on there you're going to see a dedicated page to all of our different custom builds that Blake has had a big hand in, and making sure we have some nice custom builds, as well as you're going to see our SCA Performance and Rocky Ridge vehicles there, including these Apex. Now we do have a page that I'm currently working on that'll be on there. That'll just click on the Apex section there, and you can see more information and just current inventory. I think we have 3 of these in stock right now, so if you want one that's in stock, you can find it on our website there at lonmcarthur.com. Now Blake, if they want one specially, different color or different equipment, how can they go about that?
So if you guys want to build and choose and build your own price on your vehicle, you can reach out to me or at Lon McArthur, and we can get it built and inspect exactly how you want. So we do ours on an XLT 302A package with tow tech and a few other options. If you guys want to go to a Lariat because you want more options, you want more equipment, we can also build it on a Lariat, King Ranch, or Platinum, or the 3 levels that they offer. It also includes if you want to change the leather, the color of the vehicle, any other specs that you guys want, we can always custom build the vehicle however you guys would like to build the vehicle. So that you can go anywhere from trim options to color of the vehicle to the leather patterns. Anything you want is an option. So please reach out to me. Like I said, I'm Blake, Performance Manager out here at Lon McArthur. Please reach out to me, and we'll be more than glad to take care of you and make sure we build the the custom vehicle of your dreams.
Cool. So those numbers are on the screen as well if you need those. We can use 800 number or local number, depends on if you're using your cell phone, and that's how you can reach out to us. And we have coordinators that are always here when we're open to be able to take that information for you and then get it on off to Blake, and Blake will be giving you a call. So feel free to do that. Also, don't forget about our free shipping policy. If you've watched this video, just mention you saw this video and you want the free shipping information. The way that works is we're very transparent about it. If you want to get a vehicle ordered the way you want it to, or one of our current ones, and have it shipped right to your door, if you just finance with us, then we'll pay for that shipping cost. So again, a lot of people do finance the vehicles, but a way that cost doesn't get incurred onto you is if you finance with us, the lenders give us enough of a kickback, we call back-end profit, to pay for that shipping to have it shipped right to your door. So if you're wanting information about that, we can have that done. It's a great way of buying a vehicle. You can just contact us, do everything over the phone, through email, and have it delivered right to your door. So that's another way you can do it. Now don't forget, if you aren't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. And don't forget, you can find us on social media. We're at Law McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And until the next video, we'll see you later.
Have a good one, guys.